How to set up a password on your hard drive. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'm showing you how you can set up this password. Guys, this is a password for your hard drive. For instance, if you're out in the street with your laptop and you have a lot of important stuff on your hard drive, you can set a password. If the worst happens and someone gets hold of your laptop, they won't be able to access your data if this password is set up. You can set up this password on your BIOS. So in this video, I walk you through the process. Do you like videos like this? There are other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. So let's go, guys. I'm going to press the power button to turn my laptop on. In my case, I'm going to press the F2 button to get to the BIOS screen. I've also set up a BIOS password for security to access the BIOS. Here I will enter this password. Now it's going to ask you guys to access the BIOS password of my hard drive. So you need two passwords in my case here to access BIOS. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you configure the BIOS password, guys. Perfect, guys. I'm already here in the BIOS of the notebook. You're going to look for the security option. In security, you're going to look for this option, guys. Set hard disk password. Hit enter. And here it asks you to set up a master password, let's say, for that hard drive. So don't lose that password by any means. If you forget this password, it's very difficult for you to retrieve your data. I've seen cases where people got their hard drive stuck because they forgot the password and ended up keeping the person's stuff on the hard drive. They couldn't retrieve their information. So I've already put in the master password here, confirm the master password. Here it asks you to set up, enter with the user password. I'm going to put in the user password and confirm that user password. So there are two passwords actually, the master password and the user password. Just hit enter, that's it, guys. Your hard drive already has a password. If you restart your laptop now, it's going to ask for the password of your hard drive for you to access. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm signing off. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks, guys.